Hi. So the project name is Smart University Campus IoT. So before starting the project, I have named the file as Smart University IoT.pkt. So starting the project, I have to put the wireless router WRT 300N, and then I have to change its name. Okay, in the configuration tab, we will change its name. Okay, this router will provide connectivity for the campus admin and the monitoring system. So I will change its name from campus Wi-Fi router. Campus. Okay. So we will change its settings, some settings. Okay, we will change the option to WPA to PSK, and then we will uh, change its SSID to campusnet, and PSK passphrase to or password to campus 123. So in the next step, we will add IoT registration server. Okay, so we will choose a server and place on the left side of our router, campus Wi-Fi router. This server works as a IoT registration and automation server for all smart devices in the campus. So we will rename this server as IoT registration server. Okay, and we will connect it to the router with copper straight wire. Okay, and then we will place a tablet, admin tablet, on the right side of our campus Wi-Fi router, and we will rename it as campus admin tablet. And we will connect it to our Wi-Fi campus Wi-Fi router, and we will click this option WPA to dash PSK. Okay, we will enter SSID same as in our router, campusnet, and PSK passphrase was I don't remember. We have to see it. Campus 123. Okay, wait, see, our connection has been uh, successfully made. Okay, so this is an phase 2. We're gonna place the home gateway beneath the server and the buildings which we will construct later. So we will go in the wireless devices and drag home gateway beneath the server. One thing, I think we should place the server below the router, and then the gateway below the server. Okay, and we will rename the gateway with campus IoT gateway. Okay, this home gateway act as a bridge between IoT devices and IoT server. Okay, and done. Okay, now we have to connect the gateway with the server. So in the next step, we will connect our home gateway to the campus Wi-Fi router. For this purpose, we will use the copper straight wire. Okay, so we will choose copper straight wire and connect the router to home gateway through the Ethernet. Okay, the IoT gateway is connected to the main network for communication with the server. Okay, now we will enable the IoT services in the IoT registration server. Okay, now uh, we will go to services, then IoT, and then we will enable the IoT server on, and so in the next step, we will assign the IP address to IoT registration server. For this purpose, we will go to desktop, then IP configuration, and we will since we DHCP is not enabled, I am assigning a static IP address to IoT registration server. Okay, so I will simply check the static, and then I will give the IP address IPv4 address to the IoT server. So 192.168.1.2 would be the address for IoT server, and subnet mask would be 255.255.255.0, and default gateway address should be 192.168.1.1. Okay, and the DNS server, I think DNS server should be unfilled, or we can fill it. 192. Okay, this is an optional thing, you can do or not, that's your choice. Okay, all right, now we will assign IP address to router and gate router. Okay, now I will check the campus Wi-Fi router to check the if the gateway IP address is correct or not. Okay, so we will go to LAN area network and see the IP address of a router is correct, and it is as it is written in the default gateway address in the IoT server. Okay, now we will configure the campus IoT gateway with campus Wi-Fi router. So we will go to config tab, and then in internet and then click the static, and I will enter just its IP address 192.168.1.3 because the third device in the network. This is the default subnet mask. Default gateway address should be 1.1, and DNS it's a optional thing. I will paste same as it is. Yes, okay, 1.1, enter. Okay, the light, wait for the lights to turn the green. wait, 1.3 is good. I think 1.3 is already used or not. Let me verify it. Okay. Okay, I have founded the error. I have I have find the okay, I have found the error. We have to use the copper cross wire uh, from this to make the connection. Okay, I think I have choose the wrong ports, so I will go with the automatic pairing. Okay, see, the connection has been established. Okay, now we will make the rooms for zones for each room. Okay, we have to make about 6 rooms, one for classroom, one for laboratory, and one for library, one for parking area, one for corridor, and one for control room. Okay, now I will choose the light blue color for the classroom. So here is the classroom. Wait, fill color. Okay, so we will make a light blue zone for the classrooms. So light blue, and then we will make a classroom zone here, and then we will choose light red, light red, this one. Both are same, I think. This is for laboratory. Okay, and then we will choose light green for library, and this is for library. Okay, and then we will choose light yellow for parking area. Okay, and then gray for the corridor, this one. Okay, now last, light purple for the control room. Okay, I will do labeling of each room. So I will select the text, and then this one is classroom. Okay, and the green one is library, gray one is corridor, and the yellow one is parking area, and the purple one is for light control room. Control room, done. Now what I have to do, I just have to place on the top left corner to give it a good and nice look. I have to drag it in the center. It should look beautiful. presentation is the main thing. Okay, I think these are not still aligned, whatever it. Okay, done. So for now we have placed our campus Wi-Fi router and connected it to the wirelessly to campus admin tablet, and we have connected the router with IoT registration server for connection of IoT devices, and campus IoT gateway as a gateway between server and IoT devices. So in the next step, we will place the IoT devices in each room and then make a connection through the IoT gateway. So now we will place the IoT devices in our classroom. So we have to place the four IoT devices: motion sensor, temperature sensor, light, and fan in the classroom. So we will go into wait end devices and then in the home, and then we will pick the motion sensor. I think wait motion detector, motion sensor, and then the temperature sensor. Okay, temperature sensor, then light and fan. Lastly, light and fan. Light and then fan. And I will rename all the devices to classroom 1 motion, classroom 1 temperature, and classroom 1 light, and classroom 1 fan. So I will do all the things. So I have done all the labeling. I've changed the name of all the devices. So I will do all the same procedure for all the rooms, and but some different devices. So one step that I have forgot, that we have to connect each device to the home gateway by configuring it, adding the name and the password. So let's do it. I will simply go to config tab, and then in the IoT server section I will click home gateway. Then I will go to the wireless and I will click WPA 2 PSK, and then I will simply enter the gateway name that we have set before, and the password is gateway 123. Okay, See, the connection has been established. So I will do the same procedure for all classrooms and all devices. So we have removed the server and the wireless router because they are not being in use. And finally, we have completed our project, Smart University IoT. So we have made a control room which have webcam, door and siren, and a corridor which have webcam, motion detector and light, and motion detector, light and fan in library, and smoke detector, motion detector, siren and light in laboratory, and motion detector, temperature monitor and fan and light in classroom, and in parking area webcam, wind detector, water drain and light. So I think we have to add a label above on the top uh, that mentions the name of our project. Okay, so we have made our project. Let's add a border around it. Okay, for now we are done. Our project is almost ready, and I think only few things are needed to complete to fully finish this project.
Okay, so we have completed our Cisco packet tracer project and I have added all the conditions. Okay, now so you can check this. If I place this RFID card above this reader, the door will become green and the webcam will turn on. All will see the action. Okay, and same when I uh, press Alt and drag up on the motion detector. The gate will open, lights will ignite, and the camera will also detect, capture the recordings. And same in the classroom, the fan turned on, the lights turned on. Same here. All the project is working fine. So demonstrating, let me show you the conditions in the project. So you can see these are the devices which are connected to the home gateway. Okay, now I will show you the conditions that we have set it. Just my system is slow a little bit because there are too many applications open right now, and you can see these are the conditions. I can edit them from here, and if I want to add the new condition, I can add it from this option. I will select the device. If this, like if like if the CR siren is on, true or false, then set the CR door lock to unlock. Okay, we can set the conditions by following this pattern, and we will cancel it because we do not want to imply that condition. Okay, thank you. That's it. That was our project.